Hey everyone, it's me here, Kimmel, back here with a quick little video. Today I want to show you how to pick kale. There's a certain technique to picking kale. I'm sure a lot of you know it, but there may be a lot of people who don't know it. So I'm going to explain it and show it to you. But first, I want to explain that I am harvesting kale, big, beautiful, bug-free kale leaves here today to dry, to make the nutraceutical powder that I take through the winter months. Kale is the base of that powder. If you watched my previous video on that subject, and I'll put a link at the very end of this video so you can click and watch it, you know that kale and greens are incredible vitamin, mineral, and high ORAC sources. The ORAC ratings of dried greens are stunningly high. So that's all in that video. But in this video, I just want to show you that I am picking bug-free kale. I'm going to talk about this hoop system and this particular fabric right here that I'm using to keep the white butterfly out in a future video. But we're going to zoom in here and I want to show you how simple it is to pick big kale leaves off of your kale plants. So I'm going to lift the veil here, so to speak, and show you what 4 kale plants in a mini bed, in my mini bed garden, look like at this point. And you can see that's just loaded with these beautiful, beautiful kales. Look at that beautiful goodness in that kale. Now I'm going to show you how to pick these leaves. This here is a kale plant that I've been picking the leaves off of, and I'm going to try to show you. You just push down and pull to the side. See how that came off? Beautiful. We'll do another one. Push down, pull to the side. See that? Push down, pull to the side. Sometimes just pushing down is enough. Push down and pull to the side. So you see how easy that was? Real simple. And kale is the plant, the gift that keeps on giving all season long. These leaves that you see here that I've left in the center of the plant are going to grow just like these, big and lush and clean and full of nutrition, and we'll keep harvesting them. And the plants will get taller and taller, and this appearance here will move up the stem, but the kale just keeps on giving, folks. It's a wonderful plant. Hey, thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.